Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today's deep dive peels back the curtain on the Nikon Z8II, offering a forward-looking look at its rumored specifications, pricing cues, expected launch timeline, and strategy shifts from Nikon. We'll explore what hybrid shooters might expect, comparing legacy performance, next-gen autofocus, enhanced video workflows, and more. Nikon's mountaineering strategy, where Z8II fits Nikon's recent roadmap, has sparked speculation. Can they sustain a rapid model release cadence like Fujifilm does? While Fujifilm pushes forward in the enthusiast and mid-tier APS-C market, Nikon has been comparatively quiet. That puts pressure on them to deliver a strong flagship update. Enter the Z8II, or as industry rumors label it, the Z8 successor or Z8II. Aimed squarely at hybrid photo-video professionals, the Z8II is expected to bolster market share by offering features previously reserved for the Z9, at a more approachable price point, delivering a compact powerhouse. Sensor and readout, same. Base, smarter implementation at its core, the Z8II appears likely to retain the same 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor found in the original Z8, with incremental improvements. While Nikon's dynamic range was already a standout, competitive with Canon's offerings, the bigger leap comes through optimizing readout speed and thermal performance. Faster sensor readout reduces rolling shutter, improves continuous shooting, and emphasizes smoother performance under high frame rate video capture. These improvements would bolster Nikon's position as a fast-action hybrid camera, ideal for sports, wildlife, wedding, and documentary filmmakers. Autofocus revolution. Autofocus is expected to be a game-changer with the Z8II. Next-gen systems may include AI-driven tracking, advanced subject detection, 3D tracking, IAF, animal detection, plus potentially a neural processing unit dedicated to real-time autofocus decisions. Nikon may also adopt pixel linking technology, similar in spirit to Canon's cross-type AF pixel clustering, for even sharper accuracy in detecting edges and subjects. Video enhancements. Raise the bar. Z8II is widely expected to push into 8K 60 frames per second internal recording, plus ultra-slow motion 4K at 240 frames per second, positioning it as a top choice for content creators who demand flexibility. Internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes HQ 10-bit codecs could vault Nikon into the elite hybrid space. Not to mention, built-in ND filters, pre-capture buffer functionality, and expanded video tools like zebra stripes, histograms, and advanced LUT workflows, firmware smartness and ecosystem dynamics beyond hardware. Nikon is expected to expand content credentialing, a feature originally introduced on the Z9, to earlier models via firmware updates. This ensures authenticity in photojournalism and commercial work, and might extend to models like the original Z8, Z6II, and upcoming Z8II itself. This firmware-centric upgrade strategy shows Nikon leaning on software value adds, keeping gear relevant over time. Lens ecosystem also matters. On the APS-C front, Nikon could release high-aperture DX zooms, 16 to 80mm f/2.8, f/2.8 ultra-wide, and stabilized DX primes with VR. They may avoid competing on price with third-party brands like Viltrox, instead targeting optical quality and Nikon's proprietary VR advantage. Pricing and release date speculation. The rumored retail tag for the Z8II stands around US $4,500 at launch. That price situates it in the upper mid-range pro-hybrid segment, more affordable than Nikon's Z9 flagship, yet surpassing models like the Z6II in features. Keyboard speculators believe Nikon might announce Q4 2025, with shipping before year's end. Strategically, Nikon's tied to a cadence, continuing momentum from professional filmmakers and enthusiasts who want flagship-level speed and quality, but in a more compact, lower-cost form factor, ideal for travel, run-and-gun, and hybrid work. Where Nikon stands versus Fujifilm and third parties. Fujifilm dominates the APS-C segment with aggressive releases, but Nikon's full-frame mirrorless ecosystem still carries weight with professionals, particularly at the high end. Brands like Viltrox offer great value on primes, but Nikon's optical stabilization, autofocus tuning, rugged build, and firmware support remain hard to replicate. The Z8II could reaffirm Nikon's strength in hybrid imaging, especially when paired with Nikon's expanding Z-mount lenses. For DX shooters, Nikon might continue slow refresh. But the real opportunity lies in hybrid full-frame bodies that bridge pro performance and consumer accessibility. Extended narrative. Why it matters to creators. Creators increasingly demand gear with versatility, the ability to pivot between photography and filmmaking without compromise. The Nikon Z8II seems tailor-made for hybrid shooters, those who record weddings, documentaries, nature footage, or cinematic vlogs. It offers fast sensor readout, AI-powered autofocus, and robust codecs for post-production. It also retains Nikon's hallmark, solid ergonomics and physical controls for real-world usability. The inclusion of content credentialing firmware speaks to professional workflow integrity, especially in journalism and visual content licensing. Meanwhile, faster readout and thermal improvements make longer continuous shooting feasible, whether for high-speed bursts or long-form video takes. Pair all that with Nikon's evolving DX lens roadmap, and you've got a system matching rising third-party competitors, while still catering to photographers who rely on Nikon experience strengths like VR stabilization, weather sealing, lens compatibility, and lens-based autofocus elements. Final thoughts: the Nikon Z8II aims to bridge Z9 performance into a more compact, lower-price hybrid body. Expect upgraded sensor bandwidth, AI autofocus, ultra-fast video specs, and support for pro workflows like internal Apple ProRes HQ firmware. Enhancements, particularly credentialing, will add further longevity to the product. We anticipate a release in late 2025, around US $4,500, putting it in direct competition with entry-level cinema cameras and high-end mirrorless models. Nikon's renewed momentum may restore market surge against Fujifilm and energize their lens lineup. Thanks for tuning into this in-depth forecast on the Nikon Z8II. Expect high-speed autofocus, professional video workflows, and enhanced sensor performance, all in a more accessible form factor. If these rumors hold up, Nikon's next flagship could redefine the hybrid camera segment for 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned for real specs and hands-on previews as official announcements roll in.